isa. Ito. Let's go. Let's go, Forrest.
Go, bud, bro. Hey folks, how's everybody doing? It's a beautiful day here in the Philippines and we are rolling out on today's adventures. And no real adventure, just handling some business. Those babies holding on to their mama like Forrest G holds on. Got the trash guys out here taking care of business. Shout out to them folks right there, keeping Angeles City clean. Rough job. Ooh, the smell is horrible, especially when that sun starts beating down on all that and getting ripe. Alright, I'll shoot off to the port side and we'll take a look at the jeepney terminal here. And again, just not much action going down on a Tuesday. Not too much action at all. Just like a sleepy Tuesday here in the Philippines. And got another trash truck. Folks, over here, you know, you think of garbage trucks. It's typically not what you think of. It's just a dump truck. Just a dump truck with some kuyas on the back, and they're out handling business. And shout out to them gentlemen doing a tough job right there. Yeah, I'm not saying your job ain't tough. It probably is. But if I had to guess, it might not be as rough as a garbage man in the Philippines. Look at this crew. Okay folks, right there, 583 Travel, which is right next to this Fresh Options and the Bangladesh stores, just down from Walking Street. Man, that iCard came back in 1 week. I'm talking 1 week. I had the iCard back, and before it was taking months. Is that good, sweetie girl? I think you've ate all of those. Demai is getting better and better prepared. It's getting better prepared everywhere we go. Before, she never wanted to pack a backpack. You know, Filipinos just get up and go. You know, Americans, we gotta have a big old bag. All this stuff in there. Finally, she saw my way. Because I would pack the bag and then she would forget to bring it. But now, everywhere we go, she packs a backpack. She's got everything in there she needs. She remembers to bring it. But I went through like a year of, hey, you know, where's the diaper bag? Even when they were tiny babies, she just wanted to roll out. I'm like, hey, at least bring a diaper. But now Fatima is prepared like a Girl Scout. We got some drinks here at 7-Eleven. We got an ice cold Red Bull. I don't really drink these energy drinks. Well, I don't drink any energy drink other than Red Bull. But I don't drink it for the energy. I drink it for the taste. I just like that flavor they got going on. Whoa. All right, folks. I'm going to stop here at this gentleman's truck and buy some bananas. 65 pesos on the bananas here. And this gentleman's just working out of this truck. So you open up both sides and it's just open air. And he's got a couple of scales. And this is it. He's got some good looking bananas too. Just here on the side of the road. So I got to pick out some, which ones I want to get from Maria. But I'm thinking that these right here are my horse. So we'll put these on the scale, give these to the gentleman, and see how much they're gonna be. Ooh, but I'm liking those right there too. Nah, I'll stick with these guys. Yeah, folks, shout out to this gentleman because I'm sitting here filming, but he's got a busy workload here. Constant flow of customers. Hello, sir. How are you, man? See how much the gentleman's got. 105. All right, thank you, buddy. Let me dig in my pocket here. Those bananas right there are $2. 100 peso, 105 peso. Just say $2. Let's see what she's hollering at. She's hollering at me for some reason. Baby, are you trying to direct me to buy stuff again from the trike? What do you want, baby girl? Yeah, this gentleman here's got a little restaurant going on. So these ladies are directing this gentleman on what to get. They don't even get out of the darn trike. Oh, 105 on those too? All right, man. Thank you very much. So these right here, that's 105 pesos too. And folks, shout out to my buddy June. Hey, thank you very much, man. I know you're busy over there. I'm sitting there asking questions and filming and interrupting all of his operations. So thank you very much. But June said he's here every day, and where I'm at, where am I? Oh, I'm just south of SM Telebastagan. So SM Telebastagan is that direction. So if you're coming south, SM Telebastagan will be on your left. Keep on coming and just start looking for this truck right here on the left side of the road. It's right before a total gas station up there on the right. And this gentleman here got some food going on at this little restaurant behind me over here. I don't know what he's got going down. But anyhow, great prices on bananas. You want to stop by and avail that and see my buddy June. Hey. Just looking back at June's spot. Again, just on the left side of the road, you'll see a bunch of jeepneys. It's at the beginning of Barangay. I can't read the sign. F-150 right there. Out of the road across from the LTO. You'll see these little businesses here. Insurance, law office, insurance services, beautiful ladies, notary public, insurance, fast and reliable. And here's an emissions testing center right there. All right, gentlemen riding a bicycle. There. A little bit of traffic here. This gentleman's stuck just like everybody else is. A place called Bang Bang Special Crispy Bangus. Next to Don Benito's cassava cake. All right, there you go. It's another rolling shoebox. Hey, there you go. See the windows on that thing? How can they see driving down the road? I have no idea. That beautiful lady over in front of the candy bar. Shout out to you, girl. They done eliminated all them potato chips. Get home and act like they're starving. Alright folks, there you go. Just put the laundry up there. It's already paid for. That way Fatima didn't have to put it on her utang.